Okay, welcome back, everybody. This is Taylor's EDC reviews, and today we're doing an overview over my paracord toolkit. Okay, first things first, we're going to start on the left side. We have the Merlin spike, number one. We have these two Merlin spikes that I use to do knots and stuff. We have the two straight forceps and one bent one for getting underneath stuff. And we have a pair of sidecars for any hard to reach places. Give us screwdriver for if we need to get a keyring underneath the keyring that's really hard to get. And we have this tool to pull through. And we have a Sharpie to fill in any spots. And we have a lighter and some pictures of my girlfriend I keep in there. Next is this to pull anything that's really hard to pull. We have a tape measure. And we have this to style the burns and stuff. Okay. And we have these tools, these to melt stuff, style the burns. Yeah, these are just leather punches, which each one has a different texture on it. And we have these, which I like these quite a bit. And these were made after I made these after a tornado. Each one has a and like that. I'm going to be carving the handles pretty soon, hopefully, which I'll keep you guys updated on that. This one's like that for unique designs. And we have these. And we have this to sharpen the scissors and stuff if needed. And we have a pair of the folding trauma spheres, which I'll link that down below the trauma shears and the bag this bag too. Okay, next we have a smoothing two smoothing tools, which we have these finger things, which the silicone fingers. We have a Sharpie marker, black. Okay, and we have another one of the smoothing tools. Then we have a tape measure for measuring wrist. I just got a Bass Pro. And we have fids. Yeah, which the fids are extremely useful. Yeah, which they're kind of nice to have around. These and this organizer has Molly on the back of one of these on the front Merle patch, and I have an anti. This is for anti-theft, which I just made, and that's everything for today. Uh, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you back next time.